low. Sweet or salty, thick or thin, take a bite, let's begin. Now let's make pancakes, not so sweet, still delicious, such a treat. A little change, a tiny swap. Try this mix, you'll love each drop. A milk cup flour, smooth and light. 1 cup milk, just mix it right. Crack 1 egg, then give a spin. Now let's add some flavor in. Pour some oil, hear that sound. Flip it high, then back to ground. Golden edges, crispy sides. Now let's top it, yum surprise. Cheese or ham, what's your pick? Maybe mushrooms, slice them quick. Bacon sizzles, herbs so fine. Salty pancakes, pure designs. Flip them high, flip them low. Golden brown, watch them glow. Sweet or salty, thick or thin, take a bite, let's begin.